my friends, relatives, and cousins. This short video is going to be entitled, as you see, You versus You. Trading is the only endeavor that I can think of. And if you guys can think of another one, please let me know in the comments. Trading is the only endeavor that it's just you and the markets. You do not have anybody else to blame if you do something right or if you do something wrong. It's all on your shoulders. And I think that's one of the toughest things that people have to get used to thinking about. If you have a beauty salon, if you have a yoga studio, if you have a beauty supply store, if you have any type of business, it's always someone else that you can look at as to the reasons why your business is doing great or your business is not doing so great. Maybe you didn't have that many customers this week. Maybe the supply chain was low and you didn't get any products in stock. Maybe your boss didn't give you a raise even though you worked your butt off. There's always other reasons that you can point to as to why you're not doing so well or why you are doing well. But in trading, when you look at this chart right here, this is just you and the market. Now, looking at this chart that's right in front of you is a gray area. And you're going to see in a couple of seconds, it's going to turn black. A gray area is the pre-market. So for options, there's no trading in the pre-market. Trading does not begin until 8:30 Central Standard Time for me. It's 9:30 Eastern Time. So in the markets, I'm usually up or looking at a chart every morning between 8 and 8:30. Now, don't pay any attention to these other lines up here because these are my preparation lines for next week. But I want you guys to see what I saw. I'm sorry, yeah, was that Thursday? That was Thursday before the 4th of July, Thursday, July 3rd. So this is all I saw. And you see this dotted line here. That was the highest. I put this line in place at that time and said, this is the highest the market had gone overnight. And I put this dotted line here down below, showing that this was the lowest right here that the market had gone overnight. So that's creating a game plan. It's just like if you play basketball, if you're a serious basketball player and have a serious team, you just don't go out there and play. You have a plan. So in this case, I always have a plan. So I'm saying to myself, if the market goes above this when it opens, I'm looking for call options. That means I'm anticipating the market to go up. If the market goes below this dotted line, works its way all the way down here and goes down, I'm looking for put options. So I have a game plan. That's the main thing with you versus you. You have to create your own game plan, and there's nobody on your shoulder telling you what to do. So this is my game plan. So right here we are just before the market opens. And not to hold you guys too long, but I just want to show you. So if we take another move to and see what the market looks like as it opens, we see right at 8:30, here it is. It shot up. So now, of course, I'm looking at call options. I'm not just looking at these lines here with no strategy involved. I'm saying if this happens, I'm going to do this. If this happens down here, I'm going to do that. It's a game plan that you have to have when you trade the market. So my game plan was if it broke above this dotted line, it's call options for me that day, at least at this particular time. So as it keeps moving, you see it did nothing but go up. So you get to be, after you practice this long enough, you will get to see and you will get to know that you will make money almost every day in the market. And again, it's just like basketball. When you first become a basketball player or any type of sport, anything, you don't know how many points you're going to score. You're lucky if you score any points. But as you get better, you still won't know how many points you're going to score, but you will know that you will score. You may have a 10-point game, you may have a 15 or 20-point game, but you know that you're good enough to score some points. So that's how it is with trading. After you get so good at this, you know that you're going to make some money. Now, whether that some money is $100, $50, $200, or $1,000 or more, at least you know that there's money on the table for you. And that's the bottom line of this video. So this is not financial advice. I'm not trying to tell anybody what to do. I want you to share these videos with other people. And I want you to tell them and show them that there's a way to make money. You don't have to rely on what the government is doing, whether it's positive or negative. You don't have to rely on whether or not you have customers that day. You don't have to rely on a boss that will give you a raise or not give you a raise. This is something that you can do for yourself and teach others in your circle how to do for themselves and make a living for the rest of your life. So thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And I will see you again very soon.